A dehydrator is one of the best ways to make healthy homemade snacks that last a long time. This recipe for homemade fruit leather is perfectly customizable to whatever fruit surplus you are trying to preserve. In this issue of Mother Earth News magazine, we're making homemade fruit leather roll-ups. This recipe is shared from Bevin Cohen and comes from his book, The Heritage Pantry. The recipes for which are fantastic. We tried a few years ago. You should check them out, including this recipe for corned beef. And when I tell you I am never making corned beef from a store-bought package ever again, it's so good. Anyway, fruit leather. Making homemade fruit leather is very simple. You just take 6 to 8 cups of your choice of pureed fruit, 2 to 3 teaspoons of cinnamon or whatever spices you'd like, and that's it. If you think your recipe could benefit from being a little sweeter, you can also add a 1/4 cup of honey. To make your fruit leather, combine all ingredients in a food processor and blend. You might need to work in batches depending on how your food processor is. Next, line your dehydrator trays with parchment paper, then pour the fruit mixture into the trays. You'll want to spread it as evenly as you can to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. If possible, set the temperature of your machine to 145 degrees, then run it for 6 to 7 hours. If you want to speed up the process, you can after a few hours when the fruit has begun to dry and is easier to work with. Peel the fruit leathers off of the parchment paper and remove the parchment paper. When your fruit leather is ready, roll the strips into tiny little rolls and then cut into bite-sized portions. These will keep for a few weeks when wrapped in a cloth and stored in glass jars or wrapped in cling wrap, or they'll vacuum seal keep for long-term storage. What fruit do you have that grows in surplus? And what's your favorite combo for a fruit roll-up? Let us know in the comments, and until next time, don't forget to love your mother. This recipe is shared from Bevin Cohen and comes from his book, The Heritage Pantry, and was published in the August-September 2026 issue of Mother Earth News magazine as part of the article Sealed, Saved, and Stored. Bevin is a freelance writer and videographer whose work has appeared in numerous publications, including Mother Earth News. And he's written such books as The Heritage Pantry, Saving Our Seeds, The Artisan Herbalist, The Complete Guide to Seed and Nut Oils, Grow Great Vegetables in Minnesota and Wisconsin, and more. You can take a look at his articles and books from Mother Earth News here.